those messages will always remind us that education is so important in our lives. So, requesting our dear guests, my fellow teaching and non-teaching staff of this school, to please witness the awarding of Certificate of Appreciation. And may I read the citation. Department of Education, Schools Division of Ilocos Norte, Surat Central School, District of Surat, Surat, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Fire Senior Inspector Dunty Nier P. Malaki, Municipal Fire Marshal, Surat, Ilocos Norte, Philippines, for sharing his invaluable insights and knowledge as guest of honor and speaker during the 60th